we are live. Council, who would you like to bring in?
Mr. Powell, Judge, we can go ahead and finish his.
I'm about to turn it back up for you.
All right, Mr. Powell, please unmute yourself, sir. Start your video. Mr. Powell? Mr. Powell? Who would you like to comment?
Ms. Parchment?
All right. Ms. Parchment, if you could please unmute yourself and start your video. Ms. Parchment, please start your video.
Wow.
Ms. Parchment, please unmute yourself now, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, Ms. Parchment, it looks like you're driving. Are you driving?
Well, I'm in the passenger seat.
Okay, well, we really should have you stationary when we hear your case.
Okay. Hold on. I'm about to pull over right now.
Okay. All right, calling case 455606, City of Detroit versus Kenyatta Parchment. Count 1, misdemeanor, no operator's license person. Count 2, misdemeanor, no insurance. Count 3, misdemeanor, loitering, impeding vehicle, pedestrian traffic. Appearances for the record.
Deputy Nancy appearing on behalf of Ms. Parchment. Ms. Parchment, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Kenyatta Parchment.
Judge, today's the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Therefore, we ask that any KPs be set aside, any warrant recalled.
So ordered. Ms. Parchment, if that's a phone where you are, I'm going to ask that you keep that on mute, okay?
Judge, that was me. Sorry.
Oh, sorry, Ms. Parchment.
That's okay. I was confused right there. Uh-oh.
Judge, the court did read a count 3. We did not have a count 3 on the docket. I think that may have been submitted in error.
It's closed, counsel.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Judge, as it relates to the rest of her matters, I've had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Parchment. She'd like to tender a plea of guilty and accept the recommendation that has been presented by the Assistant Corporation Counsel.
Understood. Ms. Parchment, please raise your right hand for the court, ma'am.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you'll give to the court today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you may lower your right hand at this time. Counsel, have you and Ms. Parchment reviewed her advice and rights today?
Judge, we have.
Okay. Ms. Parchment, you understand that if I accept your plea of guilty to an amended charge of failure to display, that you will not have a trial of any kind?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that you'll be giving up your right to have witnesses called to your defense at trial?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that you'll be giving up your right to cross-examine any prosecution witnesses at trial?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that you'll be giving up your right to testify or to remain silent without any inference being drawn from your silence?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that you're giving up your presumption of innocence and the requirement that guilt be proven beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything beyond this plea recommendation today to get you to tender a plea of guilty?
No, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court would now like to direct your attention to the date of May 10th, 2020 at approximately 7:45 a.m. Were you in the area of Hayden and Pickford Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2007 red Dodge vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And on that date, time, and location, were you driving without a valid operator's license?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Counsel, are you satisfied with the factual basis for this plea?
Satisfied, Judge.
Thank you. The court is satisfied and will accept your client's plea of guilty to an amended charge of failure to display pursuant to the recommendation with the stipulation of probable cause. All right. And counsel, you do stipulate.
Yes, Judge, so stipulated.
Okay. All right. Counsel, at this time, would you please address this court on behalf of your client prior to sentencing in this matter?
Judge, after speaking with Ms. Parchment, she's advised me that she's prepared to be sentenced.
Okay. Ms. Parchment, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's full-time employment for you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the court is going to impose a minimum fine of $5 and mandatory court costs in the amount of $190. Leaving you with a balance owing today of $195. Ms. Parchman, are you able to make this payment today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Parchman, are you familiar with how you can make payment here at 36th District Court?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Parchman, I'm sending you, by way of chat right now. Look at your device for me and click the chat button, or the message may have just popped up on your screen. Do you see that on your screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you see a button that says chat, C-H-A-T?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Parchman, there's a couple of ways that you can make payment. Do you have something to write with? A pen and paper?
One second.
If I may, at Ms. Chapman, Ms. Parchman, do you also see maybe 3 dots on your screen at the bottom? Or something
Yes.
more? Hit the 3
Yeah.
dots.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Okay, you see chat now?
Nope, I see you.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Wait. Chat. No, I do not.
Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna give you some information to put on a piece of paper, okay?
Okay, wait, hold up. My daughter found it. Okay, say chat 1 to make a payment using phone pay. Okay.
Yeah, can you
Payment can be made 24 hours. Okay, I got it.
screenshot that information? Can your daughter help you screenshot that
Yes. Okay.
and save it to your phone so that you can refer to it later?
Okay.
It's a wonderful thing when we have younger children to help us navigate this world of new technology.
Yeah, that's who I got. My daughter helping me right now. Okay, there, I got it. Okay.
All right, sounds good. I'm glad that she was able to assist you.
I know I wish she was here earlier. I was going crazy trying to get, oh my goodness.
That's
Okay.
okay. All right, Ms. Parchman. All right, so do you have any questions or concerns, Ms. Parchman? This does conclude your hearing for today, ma'am.
Okay, I'm all set.
All right, you have a wonderful day. You be safe, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Welcome. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Councilor Reed, Ms. Pointer.
One moment. Yes.
Oh, Ms. Pointer, yes, we're ready to proceed with your calling case P 1101166, City of Detroit versus, is it Soraya?
Korea, yes.
Yeah, my apologies. Pointer, count 1 misdemeanor, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, appearance in the record.
Becky Nance appearing on behalf of Ms. Pointer. Ms. Pointer, please state your name for the record.
Korea Pointer.
Judge, today's the date and time set for trial. Corporal Eric Croxton appeared today for court. Your Honor, after speaking with Corporal Croxton as well as Assistant Corporation Counsel, there was a recommendation to dismiss, and we join in that recommendation.
Okay, very well. I do have before me, Ms. Pointer, a plea recommendation from the city prosecutor to dismiss this case per the officer. The court is going to adopt this recommendation, and this case will be dismissed without prejudice with stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Pointer, any questions or concerns?
No.
Okay, Ms. Pointer, you have a wonderful day and you be safe.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you.
Bring in and out.
They're on in for this morning. Everybody showed up. Oh, no, he was putting it on the wrong day. So I put him on another thing.
Mr. Powell, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I am.
Okay, counsel, this is a recall calling case U 319-92016, City of Detroit versus Eddie Powell. How are we proceeding?
Judge, previously, the court asked me to have Mr. Powell complete a petition for court-appointed counsel. We did complete that information and it was submitted to the court.
Right, very well. Mr. Powell, we're going to, the court has made a note here on the file that you're requesting a jury trial. We are scheduling this matter for a final pretrial for May 13th, 2021 at 8:35 a.m., okay? The court is going to continue your bond in this matter of a personal bond. And we are going to submit your petition in order for a court-appointed attorney to the 36th District Court. If that petition is approved, you will be contacted. We do have your current phone number, correct, Attorney Nan? We do have his phone number.
Yes, Judge, it is on the petition, and just to re-clarify for the record, he did post a $250 bond.
Okay, so he posted a $250, that was a cash bond he posted?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so the court will, just continue that bond. The court will clarify that that was not a personal bond. All right, and once counsel has been appointed to represent you, Mr. Powell, that attorney will be made aware that they've received the appointment, and they will contact you directly to follow up on your case, and they will appear with you on your, final pretrial date, okay?
Yes,
Judge,
will it
just
be-
for rest of the conversation, if Mr. Powell is approved to have court-appointed counsel, Mr. Powell has asked that I be appointed to his case. I've advised Mr. Powell that I would not have any objection to that if he is approved for court-appointed counsel.
Okay, the court will make a note here to have you appointed to his case.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Mr. Powell, do you understand our next course of action on this case?
Yes, I do, but will it be virtual?
Well, the jury trial, I'm not sure if that will be virtual or not. Right now, it more than likely will be an in-person virtual trial, but a jury trial. But right now, we've only conducted bench trials virtually, not jury trials. So I'm not sure yet. By the time we have your final pretrial, we should have a better answer for you, okay?
Okay,
All right, Mr. Powell, and your counsel, once appointed, will contact you directly, and you all will have many discussions regarding how you would like to proceed in this matter, okay?
okay.
All right, Mr. Powell, thank you for your patience today. Any questions or concerns?
Question is, the pretrial will be virtual?
Yes, the final pretrial will be virtual, yes.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. We will be sending you a new notice in the mail, for that date, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Powell. Any other questions before we conclude your hearing today, sir?
No, thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Powell. You have a great day and you be safe, okay?
Okay, you also.
Thank you.